Hey guys, it's Mandy. I'm going to share with you my fall Walmart haul. I just got some more stuff in addition to the 10,000 fall things that I have. As soon as September 1st hits, I'm usually putting up my decorations. I apologize for the outfit. It's been a long day. So first I will share with you what I got. The first one is going to be this wall sign. It says Harvest Blessings on the back. Has a little hook in case you want to hang it up. I plan on putting these items I'm about to show you on top of my kitchen cabinets. So this can lean as well. This was $4.98. Next, I can never have too many pumpkins. So these I got, each were $2.24. They have all different shapes, colors. Some are shiny, some are not. So these, I have some smaller ones, they're like 98 cents. So these I figure would go nice. I also bought this pumpkin stack. So that was kind of cool. This was $8.98. It's kind of a styrofoamy pumpkin stack. And then I went a little overboard and got a lot of garland. These were each $2.98. 6 foot long, so we'll see how it holds up. Just gonna try to throw them on my counters. And a little more. And then last but not least, I got this wreath. I'm gonna put it in my son Anthony's playroom. He's too little to care, so I might as well take advantage. So it's a nice size wreath. This was $9.98. They had different kinds for the same price. So there's other ones in case you don't like this one. So I'm going to attempt to hang these up and I will show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so there's the finished product. I apologize, this might be a crappy shot. As you can see, I only needed 2 of those garlands. I have those flowers also from Walmart from last year. I'm out of breath. That's no joke. But as you can see, everything is up there. I used some duct tape to tape the leaves down. And then I also have this basket, so I put extra leaves and stuff that I had lying around. So I'm going to show you just some other quick photos of other things in my house for fall. Most of it are either Walmart or Hobby Lobby or some kind of hand-me-down. So hope you like these and let me know if you try any of these products. Just want to share with you some new fall things that I got from Bath & Body Works. That's one of my favorite stores. I'm like a junkie when I go in there. Just figured I'd share a couple fun things. First thing I got these a while ago. They had a good like 5 or something deal. Got some hand soaps. Let's see, the first one, Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte, Gentle Exfoliating Hand Soap. I didn't used to buy these, but figure why not? I like all the smelly stuff. This one is Coconut Pumpkin Latte with pumpkin butter. This one I already used. Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin nourishing hand soap with pumpkin butter and pumpkin cupcake. So I'm ready for fall. I have these, this one I'm using in my kitchen. So I got those when I was up visiting in Jersey. Yeah. So then I got today, I did I think it was 7 for 23 for the wallflower plugs. I use these all year round, different seasons. First one is vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. I like all the foodie smells. That's usually what I gravitate towards. Or stress relief. We all need that. This one actually is one of the stress relief ones, and these actually I put these in my bedroom. This is Comfort Vanilla and Patchouli. They have a whole aromatherapy line there. So if you're a mom of a toddler, you need this. Let's see, this one is Marshmallow Fireside. This one might smell like a little bit burnt, but we'll give it a shot. Another aromatherapy. I'm really big into aromatherapy. I got an oil diffuser. I'll show you that in another video from Amazon. This one is eucalyptus and spearmint. I usually go for the lavender, but I figure I would try something new. We'll see. This one is pumpkin apple. Looks pretty good. This one, because I love my junk food. This one is Pumpkin Donut Shop. I want to open all these, but I'm going to be good and wait. And last but not least, if you're feeling like a lard, pumpkin cupcake. So they have a lot of really nice new ones this year. A lot of mixes with pumpkin. I usually stock up for the fall. Then winter they have all the, I like the ones that smell like the pine trees, evergreen, balsam, whatever you want to call it. So all of those as well. So I hope you guys like all the fall stuff. I will probably do a Christmas one too, because I have a lot more Christmas junk. Let me know if you try any of these, what you think, and thanks for watching.